When the PictureTaker activity's onCreate method is called, we configure the surface view, get its surface holder, and also configure our listeners that have to do with the surface view as well. So you can see here in onCreate that we load up our camera preview layout, which is the layout for this activity. We then obtain from that layout the surface view, which is the only object inside of that layout, and we set its onTouch listener a subsequent video in this lesson. Now, the touch listener is going to receive the touch event and allow the user to physically take the picture. At line 52, as we showed you back in the Canon app, the surface holder is obtained from the surface view by calling getHolder, and then we add a callback to the surface holder to respond to events for the surface view. Surface callback is the event handling object, and this is going to allow us to respond to events such as when the surface is created and destroyed. Now finally, at line 56, we have a step that's no longer necessary as of Android 3.0. However, because this app was developed for Android 2.3.3 originally, we still were required to provide this step. So surfaceHolder.setType with the argument surfaceholder.surface_type_push_buffers is a required step before Android 3.0. If you hover over this, you can see that this constant is deprecated, and that means that we're not supposed to use the constant anymore. Its value is ignored and automatically set if indeed it's needed. The problem is that unless you are specifically targeting Android 3 or higher, if you try to run this app without this statement in there, it will not work correctly.